Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Azure Data Studio installed and credentials ready. Open the Connections pane and click New Connection. Enter the server name, choose SQL Login or Windows Auth, then provide user and password. Once done, pick the database from the drop-down or leave default for master. Make sure to save the connection profile if you'll reuse it. This gets you immediately into a live editor, where you can run queries and inspect objects without extra steps. With an open connection, create a new SQL file and start writing queries. Azure Data Studio's IntelliSense will suggest tables and columns as you type. Execute statements with F5 or the Run button and use snippets for common patterns to save time. Once query is run, inspect the results grid, check messages for execution details, and open the execution plan if performance matters. Make sure to use the Server Dashboard and Object Explorer to manage tables, indexes, and extensions while you iterate. To finish, save your SQL files and consider linking the workspace to source control for versioning. Export important results sets directly from the results grid to CSV, Excel, or JSON for sharing or reporting. Once done, close connections or keep them pinned for later. If a connection fails, first verify the server name and instance, then confirm firewall rules and authentication type. Switch between SQL Login and Windows Auth if needed. One tip: use the Output and Logs tabs to see detailed error messages for fast diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.